Good morning, everyone. I am Deepa Baligar. My today's topic is electronic paper display. Contains introduction, technology, advantages over display material, drawback, and applications. An electronic paper display is also called as e-paper or e-link, and it is technology using organic electronics to design to mimic the appearance of the regular ink on the paper. It is also called as flat panel display. It is one of the most features needed to the pixels be bistable so that the state of the pixels can maintain without constant power supply. And introduction. An electronic paper display is also called as EPD. And the electronic paper display is a smart paper is the another name for the e-paper or electronic paper, which is electronic ink display technology, which is designed to get similar appearance of an ordinary ink on the paper. It is also called as radio paper or electronic ink display. The smart the, the smart paper of the electronic paper, and the paper should be weighted, low cost, simple, and flexible display. For the building and a paper or smart paper, there are several technologies such as plastic more comfortable to read than the convention of the display because of the stable image does not needed to be refreshed constantly. A smart paper display is reliable and direct sunlight without appearance of the faded image. The black and white link on the paper look similar. The most widely read material on the planet newspaper. The applications of the includes timetable of the bus stations, label for the showing the price of the retail shops, e-radars and e-paper magazines, general science and motor phone F3. And electronic displays convert the electronic information to regeneration by the brain, vice versa. Software and hardware components of an electronic display is enabled to utilize the data. It is e-displays aims to represent the maximum variance of the woman persistence and the while freeing an information with a physical and environmental consideration. And the recent development is an e-paper and e-display is a system is like liquid crystal display and organic like emitting diode. It help realize the information effectively, and the several issues as a wide viewing angle, low power consumption is solved by uh, OLED. OLED is a organic light emitting diode, while LCD is a liquid crystal display, is a still cost effective and through the exit well as known as problem mimic hard copy type of the printed paper. The fast studied so that the no single display system is challenging the different convention in environmental condition of the characteristic. This leads special requirements of an optical properties, the brightness and the viewing angle to should be better way and to present the information and replacement to the printed paper. And this answer our goal to presented by the e-paper displays readability and requirements. And in this paper we aim to the understand working principle of the several e-paper displays and driving schemes with the hardware and software implementation of the solve challenges in the e-paper ecosystem. And we perform the comfortably study designed to test our on diversion of the e-paper technology and history. An electronic e-paper is first developed by 1970 Neko Sheridan, and the first electronic paper is called as Garicon. Is a concept of the teeny statically charged balls, black or white. And it is also text image or text paper is alternate the presence of the electric field. and the glycan is the garrican. Garrican is developed on equation. It consists of the polythene is a spheres of the diameter in between 75 to 106 micrometers. In the sphere is also called as genus particles composed on the negatively charged black on one side and the positively charged white plastic. Negatively charged is the black, positive charge is a white plastic and the other side, and positive charge is a one fixed cell is the transparent electrode layer is the upper layer, and the lower layer is the lower electrode layer is the negative charge is the black, positive is the white charge particles, and these charged particles of white plastic is another side. It is also each of the hemisphere of the different color and charges. When the electric field is applied to the backbone, then the bits of the rotating rotate, creating a by colored pattern. When the electric polarity is applied to each pair of the electrodes, diameters determine the white or black sides of the face up, and the giving of the black or white appearance of the in the method to lamination one lack of colors, too low brightness of the resolution, and the positive charge is the positive charge is a white and negative charge particle is the black. It is conceived the first electronic paper display is developed by 1970. It is consist of the polythene sphere is having diameter is 75 to 106 micrometers, and in each sphere is a Janus particle is composed on the negative charge black plastic on the one side and the positive charge white plastic is the another side. It is each bed thus the dipole, and this sphere is also embedded in the transparent silicon made of the sheet, and which each sphere is suspended in the bubbles of the oil so that it can rotate freely, and the polarity charges voltage applied on the pair of electrodes then diameters whether the white or black side of the face up and giving the pixel white or black appearance, and technology used, and the basic material of the ink paper display is called as electronic ink. The construction of the e-paper, the basically an e-paper can be compressed in the two different parts, front panel and back panel. The front panel is consist of the electronic ink and some of the other like garicon, and the back panel is the electric circuit, and this forming the electronic ink displays the electronic ink is printed onto the plastic film through the laminated over the layer circuitry, and electronic ink is a property is a material with a proceed and into the film integrated to the electronic display, and the electronic e-paper working it is read in the history after many years in the Garicon e-ink has been created by Nico Sheridan after widely range in the study tiny rotating particles, and many alter through the creator also re-evaluation of the concept, and electronic ink is a straight forward and chemistry physics, and it create the new material, and the principal component of the electronic ink are millions of the tiny micropulses in diameter luminaires, and these many types of the electrophotic display. It is some limitations of with the Garicon with some solved the Caesar solution is called as electrophotic display. It the by using an applied electric field form the visible images through the charged pigment and particles. This consists of the titanium oxide particles is micropulses with 1 micrometer in the diameter dispersed in the hydrocarbon oil, which contains the dark color is dye along with the surface of the charging agents. Some of the voltage supplied to two plates. One power the plates is moved to the plate which bearing the opposite charges from the particles, and the negative electric field is applied to the particles move to the bottom and thus their hidden view. And the positive electric field applied to the particles move to the top, and thus is image text generate the white particles. R is a red, G is a green, and B is a blue, and B is a blue, and the opticals electrophotonic display embedded, and the fragmentation of the electrophotonic display is generally developed, and the research manipulated using electronic and plastic by the laser relays and process to the embedding the exciting AM LCD manufacturing is creating the flexible display. And electronic ink display or e-ink is based on the encapsulated the electropolarity encapsulation of the braining tiny and the magnificating, and it is applying of an electric field is moves through the particles about microcapsules, and is into the more reflecting on the absorption and the positive or negative voltage across to the EDM tiny oxide electrodes, and the it moves negative electric field is applied through white particles move the top of the micropulses, and they become visible and visual, and this makes surface appearance of the white of the spot. And the same times is opposite electric field pulse through the black particles to the bottom of the micropulses, and they are hidden to the reserving of the process, and the black particles appearance of the top of the cap pulses, and the applying the electric field moves through the particles about micropulses. It can be switched into the reflecting or left, absorption is right, and the state by the applying the positive or negative voltage across the indium or ITO. And another type is electronic ink. Electronic ink is a basically is electronic ink is combination of tiny plastic is well particles and flexible particles with consist of the both black and white particles is suspended by the with a clear fluid, and black particles and a white is has the opposite charges, and it appeared by on giving electrical supply emits the top or both sides of the layer of the created by an e-display, and it is reversing this process is black particles appear at the top of the capsules. In the electronic ink is displays ink printed onto the sheet plastic film the laminated to a layer circuitry, and the circuitry is patterned the pixels then controlled by the display over, and these micropulses in another type is electrowetting. Electrowetting is a basic controlling shape is conformed with water or oil interface to the applied voltage is electrowetting is obtained. The oil forms a film with no voltage between electrode and water. The voltage is applied to the coating charges, and result no stable state for the stacked state, and it result in the party transparent pixels or in case reflective white surface, and the being used under switchable elements on the white pixels in the switching between white or any color, and color reflection of the fast enough to display content, and the based on the phenomena of the electrowetting affect the controlling the mm, shape of the water or oil interface applied the voltage with no voltage applied in the oil form of the film between the water and hydrophobic, and the insulating the coating of an electrode in the color pixels, and voltage applied between the electrode and water interface of the tension between water and the coating changes, and the result stacked state is no longer stable causing water to move the oil side, and the resulting partly transparent pixels, or if a reflective white surface used the under switchable elements of a white pixels and display, bringing information out of the confusion of the traditional device and into the world around us. And advantages is another type is electrofluidic display. The different form of the above display is aqueous pigment of the dispersion inside the teeny reservation of the placed electrofluid is of 5 to 10% viewable pixels area present of the revolution for the pulling pigment out of the reservation of the voltage is applied, and the liquid surface tension is created by the pigment dispersion of the with helps of the rapidly recall and into the reservation of the voltage removed. And many instructions are there in and next one is advantage. The paper like readability and high flexible viewing angle is up to 180 degrees, and high reflective, high contrast and resolution, capable of the color and video, prolonging battery of the life, long term bistable images content without power. And advantages over the display material. And advantages over the display material highlight the display and the interface of the thickness is 300 microns and is reported by the flexible construction. And the another one advantages over the display material of the electrophotic display is the white light is scattered, the particles use near reflection of the obtained, and negative voltage is applied to the particles. It moves the electrode on the on side from the view from the become hidden of the die, and the one of the migration of the either polarity voltage is removed to the particles stay in the places, creating the bistable memory device. And it is the advantages over the display is most LCD or CRT monitor is display. LCD is a light crystal display, and the concentrate of the radio is a low is 10 is to 1, and the display shows the four levels of the grays, and the seams of low more than the advocate of the reading as well as lighted condition. And the drawbacks is a very low switching speed, electrochemical complexity, and slow response to change, too slow for the video applications. EPD is ideally for many consumption of the industrial applications where reading experience a range of the lighting and viewing angles of the almost importance. And the ebook in 2007 Amazon Kindle is releasable, and 2009 Amazon realized Kindle 2, and in the same year larger Kindle of the DX was realized and now utilized. The November 2015 Amazon Kindle store the contain 4 million kits. And another transparent singing can be utilized maritime and location previously. In the status of the USB flash drive display status information such as storage. In case of the digital school book and 2007 Jan is a specialized the education paper is used to the digital photo frame, and it is widely used as the high quality power and wide viewing angle. It is ebook reader is for example Amazon Kindle and electronic shelf label, and it is called as a large department of the store, and e-paper can use label stay the price tagging. And a smart card display, it is some credit cards is contains the smart card information is credit and money expense, and mobile phones and e-newspaper, timetable and station, electronic bill papers and status display, and digital photo frames. And the previously impossible due to the sunlight viewing angle. And e-book sustain the eye emission of the light is known as the radar book light experience. And EPD gives power product designed to use magazine imagination of the never before possible. And beyond today's generation technology which offers to the visual of the book papers and features version of the integrated e-links. And e-links is a plastic electronic inks and composite of the electronic logic is the conclusion of the e-paper. Technology keeps changing from the 1990s. Today smart of the paper technology almost continuously used and updates between 1990 to 2010, which is still using our daily or styling the trying for a advantage. And it is used to decrease the uses of LCD display. And this should can evergreen being update like human life. And the other many things of the electronic ink is display or smart paper displays can technology can be used in many wonders. And the e-paper is communicate the satellite and the other computer easily. And for the feature for further more updates researchable and think